Okay, I'm kind of limited with my work area, but I'm going to pop these pins out, and it's nice on this particular one that the pins aren't tapped all the way in. If they were, I'd have to go in from the bottom and pop it up, and sometimes there's a little goodie on the bottom where you can't get something big enough in there, and then you got to put a little finish nail in there and tap on that or whatever. I don't have to do that. I'm going to just take a screwdriver and I'm going to do that. Okay, I'm going to take the bottom one off first, and I just hang on to it, set it down, and sometimes these are greasy, so you have to be careful with them, especially if you got carpet down. In this case, we just got plywood floor. I want to make sure that the door's open just a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to take the top one off last. Like that. And usually the door will stay up there. Okay, now I can slide the door over a little bit, hang on to it, and gently pull it off. Like that. Okay? That's your next step.